Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for AOC2, term 1407. This video I'm going to give you a brief overview of our Project 2. As you can see here, it's a very simple app, 2-view application. You have your first view, which I'll go into detail when I go over the code, what is all included in there, and then just the second view, which is just the info, where it has my name, and then where you can change the color of the background via a segmented control. Jumping into the code, I'll actually run the app and show you what I did differently here first. I ended up setting up a base price for each vehicle, adding an additional calculation because the way I had it set up before, you can't really change the miles per gallons of a vehicle, because that was the calculation I did before, and changed it per vehicle, because obviously different vehicles get different miles per gallon, but I couldn't necessarily use a segmented control to change or to calculate a new value. So what I did was, in the base class, I went ahead and added a new property for a base price, final price, and then when I instantiated, I gave it the base price of just 0, and then for the different vehicles, when I instantiate those objects, they have different base prices, obviously. And then for the actual calculation with the segmented control, I created a couple new methods. I did it the same format to where he doesn't actually do the calculated one. You just call the get price method and you pass in the int value from the segmented control, and it multiplies it by the base price of whatever vehicle it is you're getting. So if you see here, we have 4, so that multiplies it by the base price of $48,000 for a 2012 F350, and you order it. If you do 4 times that base price, you'd get this total cost here. And likewise, obviously the Mustang was a different price, so if you still stay with the 4 and you go here, you have that different price. And it's a little hard to see the disabled, but as you can see here, we're not getting any console log messages to where this button is disabled. But if you go ahead and press another one, it calculates, and then you'd be able to repress that one. As you can see the log going there. Jumping into the info view controller, like I said, it's just very simple with a button to close it, and then different ones to change the background color. And then you can close that modal view. That was pretty much it. What I could have done better, I probably could have made the code a little bit simpler, refactored it a little bit. And I ended up also having to declare all my vehicles in the header file, so that way when I was using them down here in the different buttons, I was still able to access all the information from that. So that was something that I had to change to make it work the way I have it set up here. With that, guys, it's been a great week. Look forward to the coming weeks. Take care and good night.